Now, before we get started, let me give a big shout out to Casetify for sending me these cool MagSafe accessories. Now, y'all know Casetify is one of my favorite companies. Let me show you why. Look at this presentation. We got the Casetify MagSafe accessories. Snap and go. So we got the Snappy ring holder, the Snappy grip stand, the Snappy card holder stand, the power through power bank, and of course, the impact case. Now, all of these products are MagSafe compatible. Look at the strength of the magnets. I love this kind of stuff. Let's get into the full review. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some Casetify MagSafe accessories. Now, you can pick these up from Casetify.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The prices start at $38. Let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my...
calm down. Okay, first up, we got the Snappy ring holder. Now, this one is going to run you $38. Let's take it over to the website. Now, of course, it comes in a bunch of different colors and designs. You got a secure ring grip, doubles as a kickstand, slim and sleek, high magnetic strength, MagSafe compatible, and partially made from recycled materials. So this one has the spinnable ring design, a versatile kickstand feature, strong magnetic connection, snap, spin, or hold. And again, comes in a bunch of different colors, slim and sleek. Now, this is the one I've been using on my personal phone. Look at that spin. This is crazy. Now, one quick side note. I know some of y'all think Casetify products are overpriced. You see my two favorite cases right here, the clear case. Watch this video right here. Remember, it's all about quality over quantity. After you see this video, you'll understand why these cases cost so much. Quality over quantity. All right, so this is the Snappy ring holder. Now, of course, I got to go with the blue. Let's check this one out. Look at the magnet. Excellent strength. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Look at that spin. Now watch this. You could just drop your finger in it just like that. This way. Oh, let me do that again. This way, if you want to spin your phone as a fidget spinner, you can do that if you want. But you're going to get some grip. Now me, I got big fingers. I should have used this finger. Yeah, better with this finger for me. Look at that. Look at that spin though. Excellent strength on the magnet. And again, you can use this as a kickstand. So say if I want to watch some videos, put in my code real quick. Hold on a second. Let me do that off camera. All right, watch this. All right, so I want to watch YouTube videos. Let's take it over to, let's see what we got on deck. Okay, say I want to watch White Shoes' birthday. We're going to use this as a kickstand. Just get it right to the angle you want and watch your videos. Now, if I want to make it lower, just adjust the back. I can have it like this, or if I want to make it higher, then we'll do it like this. Now you got a kickstand. This is so dope, and when you finish, slap the ring down. You can slide this off, throw it in your pocket if you want, or just leave it on the back of your phone. So anytime you need a little bit extra grip, pull this out, drop your finger in there, and rock out. All right, so this is the, look at that spin, the Snappy ring holder. $38 on this one. Looks beautiful. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the Snappy grip stand. Now this one is also going to run you $38. Comes in a bunch of different colors and patterns. This one gives you the secure grip, doubles as a kickstand, slim and sleek, high magnetic strength, ultra light, partially made from recycled materials. Okay, so this one is ultra slim and pocket friendly. Versatile kickstand feature, strong magnetic connection, snap, grip, or stand. Okay, hold it effortlessly. All right, $38 on this one. Now here's the one I've been using. Check this out. Now you got a little stand right here. How dope is that? You go to dinner, put your phone just like this, or you can rock it like this. Now I like to use mine just like this. So let's get and unbox it. Here's what you get inside. Just the grip. Right. Oh, the basketball. You know what it is. All right, so slap it right on the back, just like that. and it turns into a little stand. Now, it does rotate, so just in case you want to use landscape mode, or if you want to put it in portrait mode and look at your cat all day. All right, so this is pretty dope right here. Now, of course, excellent strength on the magnets, and you see it just snaps right back into place. No flappage. Fits right in your pocket. All right, so this is the Snappy grip stand. Matter of fact, let's see. Let's check a YouTube video. One more. All right, let's see what pops up. What is YouTube recommending for me today? All right, let's go to my videos. Why not? White Shoes birthday party.
Okay, so now let's take it to
Okay, we'll turn the volume down. And if I want to watch it with the stand, just like that. So now you're at your desk, rock out like this. If you're 2 phones Nelson, then you have one like this. This is pretty dope. Okay, so this is the Snappy grip stand, 38 bucks. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the Snappy card holder stand. Now this one is gonna run you 42 bucks. Comes in a bunch of different colors and patterns. You got secure storage of 1 card, doubles as a kickstand, slim and sleek, quick card access, MagSafe compatible, and partially made from recycled materials. Strong magnetic connection, 1 card, easy access, versatile kickstand. Okay, snap, store, or stand. Easy one-handed access. Okay, 42 bucks on this one. Now, on a side note, it says 1 card, but you can actually fit 2. This is the one I'm using right now. Watch this. To get your card out, all you got to do is slide your thumb in there and bang, card pops out just like that. And then you can rock this as a stand. All right, so let me show you what it looks like. Okay. Snappy card holder stand. Oh, this pattern right here is hot. Look at that. The back turns into a stand. Snaps back into place. Slaps on. Excellent strength on the magnets. Then you got a little stand. So say I want to watch a video. All right, Shoes doing something cute. We can rock this like this. Let's just get to the video. Watch our videos. Or I can rock it like this. Now in the back, when you pop this off, to slap your card in, all you got to do, open it from the top, slap your card in just like that, slap it on the back of your phone. Then when you're ready to charge it to the game, open it up, slide your card out, pay your bill, make sure you slide it back in the front. Matter of fact, let's do it like this. Open it from this angle, slide your card back in, and keep it moving. But the stand part, this is dope. Okay, you got an actual stand. And like I said, I managed to fit 2 cards in here, so you could definitely put your card and your driver's license. Nice tight fit. Snap it right on the back. Keep it moving. Okay, so this is the Snappy card holder stand. Charge your phone up at night. Use it as a desktop clock. This is pretty dope. Let's see. Now let me see. Yeah, see if you put 2 cards in. I notice if you put 2 cards in, it's a little bit tight. If you want to get that easy one-hand slide, 1 card would be better. But me, you know, I like to do stuff the hard way, so I'm gonna leave my 2 cards in there, my business card and my debit card, and rock out with no wallet. Okay, and then we'll just open this up, and there it is. All right, so this is the Snappy card holder stands. Let's keep it moving. All right, so last up, we got the Power Through Power Bank. Now this one is gonna run you 78 bucks. Comes in a bunch of different colors and designs. This is a 5,000 milliamp high capacity battery. Now you're getting fast and efficient charging, slim design, high magnetic strength, MagSafe compatible, and it features pass-through charging. That means you could charge the battery and your phone at the same time. Easy to grip and pocket friendly, 5,000 milliamp battery capacity, strong magnetic connection. Snap and power up. Okay, slim and sleek. 78 bucks on this one. All right, so let me show you what it looks like. Now, I've been using this one also for a couple of days. I love it. A nice MagSafe 5,000 milliamp portable battery charger. Now look, here's your power button. You got 4 LEDs. Okay, that'll let you know your battery strength. Nice soft magnet on the back. Slaps right on. Bang, just like that. You see, charging up. Now, if you want to, let's grab a charger. We can plug this in. Now, if you notice, we're charging the battery pack. Hit the power button, and look at that. Now we're charging the battery and the phone at the same time. Now, I like the blue one right here. I've been using this one. Look at the strength of the magnet. Not going to fall off. Okay. Charging right up. And again, my favorite feature, plug this in at night, hit the power button. Okay. Now we're charging up. Okay, we got 100%. Okay, charging up. Y'all can see that? And the battery charging at the same time. So I like to leave it like this overnight, and then when you wake up in the morning, pop this off, throw this in your pocket, and when your iPhone battery starts to die, slap this right on. Now, one quick side note, this will also work on any phone that has MagSafe compatibility, but I like to use it on my iPhones. All right. So this is the power through power bank. All right, let's go ahead and wrap this video up. $78 on these. Must-have item if you got an iPhone. All right, so these are the Casetify MagSafe accessories. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. And remember, quality over quantity. Now, one last note. I know somebody's going to ask me about this watch band. This is another Casetify product. If you got an Apple Watch, you need this. All right, check out the video. I'll leave it right here. This is my favorite watch band combo. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy, man. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.